Hello guys, let's welcome to Tech Moria channel. Today in this video I will teach you about how to make secondary router from primary router without wire. Before this video you will see first router configuration of router link are given in descriptions. Open any browser and fill up your router default gateway and log into the web page of router and on wireless. After the clicks, then click on advanced buttons and again click on wireless, then you will see pop-up box of WDS bridging, and select your primary router and enter the password of the root router and change SSID name and password of secondary router.